Hello, ma'am.
Hello, please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am. So
Okay.
he is my son.
Yeah, and how about you?
I'm Hunky Dory. And how about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I am also fine. So let's talk about your son. Yeah.
Okay. How is the ma'am in study? And how is his nature in the class?
Yeah, he is good in studies, not so bad. He makes balance in his study. I want to say he is a moderate student in the class, but there is some issue with him. He is very naughty in class. Actually, he is all the time preparing so much issues and removing sorry and moving here and there, and many teachers of others
Okay.
me about his behavior, and this is the problem. Otherwise, a little bit if he manage his studies also, he also become a good uh, in class, moderate to high level. But there is more issue about that he is very naughty. So what about tell what do you tell about him, and how is in home also?
Yeah, ma'am, you are saying good. Yeah, he's also, he has become so much naughty also. And when you will look to him, that he will look so pretty. He will look that no, he's so nice and he's not naughty. And he will always say, no, mama, no, papa, I didn't do this. I'm really a good boy, and yeah, I do not make a noise in the class. My ma'am always supports me, and she also loves me. And he always appreciates you that you are a nice teacher, and he wants to he wants to become like you, and you are mentor to him. Yeah. Like he always when you are busy in doing something, an activity, so he starts his work. And yeah, I am finding out nowadays. I'm finding a lot that he is doing, unnecessary mistakes he is doing, and her childish behavior is increasing day by day. And I fed up a lot because of his behavior. And yeah, that's why I came here for that. How can we resolve from this problem, and how can we rectify from this type of behavior? So, do you have any plan, ma'am? Can we can do it? I can also work at a home, and you can also do in the school. So, how can we, improve this type of activity? It, you will say naughty is good, but unnecessary activity he is doing, that's not a good. Like he sometime he push his peers, and he slap his peers, he disturb his peer while studying time. And same time that that he completes his work on time, but he does not do to their peers. He always disturb to him while working, while studying. Please say.
Yeah, yeah, you correctly said everything. You also, I think, you make a eyes like a hawk. Yes, you said everything is perfectly, that he said, I am not doing, I will not do this type of work. I am not, I will not disturbing you again. This type of thing he said. but after that he not uh, follow all these things. That is the problem with him. And we planned uh, for him good things, uh, that he uh, immediately improving himself. So we I think when when he do any unnecessary activities, we both are his every activity. You are you will notice at home and rectify all the things, and I will notice in the class and rectifying all the I will rectify all the things. And we will meet when any problem regarding this. And you call me when you are feeling that he is not working and not doing well in school, in home. I do some plans for him. I will
Okay.
do some I will do some uh, other things for improving
Okay,
him
ma'am, but
also.
I want to know that how can we, uh, how can we reducing her mistakes, and also how can we rectify his by his behavior. So do you have any challenges? Do you have any plan? Can we make it about him?
Yeah, yeah, this type childrens are who are very naughty. We actually good thing for that. We can engage him for other things. Engage him to other works like some activities. The activity is in their type, in funniest way. We will give activity in funniest way for him, and she enjoy sorry he will also enjoy it, and uh, his mind will focus for only that type of work. And also we will sit down his peers, uh, good peers for good behaving, and that's not with not naughty boys. That's why he also engaged with type of things. So it is the plan. And yeah,
Okay.
we
Okay, ma'am,
yeah.
I tell you some points when I read on the Google, and I also search out from the Google, and yeah, and I also discuss with my friends that how can we rectify these type of problems, because nowadays I'm facing a lot of problem, and I'm also in tension that he has become so much naughty. So I will tell you some this I can tell you some points, and we can discuss about it. Okay, so like he's behaving a lot and necessary activity he is doing. So like he he always completes his work on time. So jot down his work on time, and also because I have seen that his speed is also good, and you know very well that he is also good in his study, so that he completes his work on time. So after then those who are weak, so you can you can take help by you can say to him that please go there with your peers and sit there, and that you can you can recommend to him that please help to him and solving the question that he is struggling, and also your peers, they are struggling, so please help to them. And so he will also engage, and he can also practice with with this activity, and he will also go ahead by these type of activities. And you can say please this time you have completed, so read these things and learn these things, that that is a good thing. So, and I also, that I always engage to him that you have completed your work, so play, so you can this time. I have made schedule for him that this time you will do this activity, you will go in park and you will in the park. And I also, I will also uh, go with him when he goes in the park. And I also make a schedule for related to study his study. So I that he completes his work, that this time you will, you will draw these things, because he is also good in drawing. So I am also working on these type of activities. And I also give, I also give moral duties, that how can you give the respect to your elders, your peers, your younger than you, that because if you are giving to respect to each and everyone, so that means you and also loved one, no need to that you love only your loved ones, so that's not a good point. If you are behaving and you are giving some points those who are unknown, but you will have to keep remember that we have to give respect to each and everyone, they are loved ones or also not. So these type of things I am learning to him, and I give to my time, and I spend a lot of time with him. So please, ma'am, I will say that I also listen about you, that you do not focus to him. So please try to focus to him, and try to engage to him. If he is doing same mistake, so please complain to me. Okay, you complains to me, and then I will rectify these type of problems. So thank you so much, ma'am. You gave a lot of time. So okay, bye bye. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, bye. And yeah, next time I will these type of things and these type of complaints, I will think that I will not get again. So thank you, ma'am.